If you want to reply though, Chance can I Trevino. Let me tell you about that nigga Chance Cannot. He looks like a dragon just a little. Smoking on the crystal, walking around packing that CO2 pistol. Trying to act hard but everyone knows it's brittle. I rob the cut knives, nigga you would die. You scared to fight, don't kill this shit, Mike.
You ain't about that life, that bitch nigga connive. I'll hit his ass twice, fuck that, I'll let my guns fight. Put you in my sights, now you fear your fucking life. Nigga, you steady smoking on that fucking pipe.
Thieving ass nigga, tweaking ass nigga. Rob your old grandma while she sleeping, nigga. Been locked up 2 times in 3 weeks, nigga. Yeah, you're bigger than me, but I got triggers, nigga. You bout to be 20 flipping burgers, nigga, while I'm making them figures, cause I'm Triller. By the way, Drew, you ever gonna grow bigger?
Got that little man syndrome, me my nigga Mason gon' take one to the dome. We gon' raid your fucking home. Fill y'all up with ammo, let the guns bang like Rambo. Y'all my #1 fans though.
And I'm too hot to handle. Pull the fucking hammer, tell your ass to stress like I'm a panther. Y'all baby niggas wearing peppers. And Drew your leprechaun ass picking clovers, nigga. If you got robbed by a fag, you would bend over, nigga. And for me, the rap's over.
I bend your bitch over, make her fucking toes curl. You the 2 biggest bitches in the fucking world. Got robbed by Austin Post and dizzy like you roller coasting. I'll chop your ass up and I'll throw you in the ocean. My weed's super potent, but bitch you'll never toke it.
Yeah, that's to y'all. We want to reply.